Morning, students. I hope you all are doing well at your places and you all are studying well for your exams. Today, we'll be doing a very interesting poem about Thomas Alva Edison, right? He's a very famous businessman, you can say he's an American inventor, right? Who has invented a lot of things like mass communication, power generation, as well as electric bulb, right? So, we'll be knowing some facts about Thomas Alva Edison, and let's just begin with this. So the title of our poem is Thomas Alva Edison, right? In this poem, you will learn about a great scientist of the world and you will be reading and enjoying the poem. हम यहाँ पे साइंटिस्ट के बारे में पढ़ेंगे और हम लोग को यहाँ पे बहुत मजा आने वाला है, right? Now, Thomas Alva Edison, right? A most unusual boy. देखिए, usual means जो काम सब usually करते हैं. Unusual means an extraordinary work, an outstanding, a brilliant work which has not been done by all, right? नेवर रियली बॉदर्ड मच, ज्यादा सोचने की बात नहीं है विद एनी चाइल्डिश टॉय, किसी भी चाइल्डिश टॉय, कोई भी बच्चों के खिलौने से. हिज टीचर थॉट दैट ही कुडंट लर्न, उसकी टीचर क्या सोचती थी कि ये पढ़ने वाला नहीं है. एंड सेंड हिम होम फ्रॉम स्कूल, और उसे स्कूल से घर भेज दिया था. किसे? थॉमस एल्वा एडिसन में. बट टॉमीज मदर न्यू फॉर श्योर दैट ही वॉजंट एनी फूल, उसकी मॉम जानती थी कि ये बच्चा पागल नहीं है, फूल नहीं है. ही वर्कड एज अ न्यूज बॉय ऑन अ ट्रेन, ट्रेन में उन्होंने न्यूज़पेपर भी बेचा है. ही लर्न टू टेलीग्राफ, उन्होंने टेलीग्राफ करना सीखा है. और एक बात और, थॉमस एल्वा एडिसन हैज ऑल्सो इन्वेंटेड फोनोग्राफ्स, राइट? फोनो इज रिलेटेड टू साउंड एंड ग्राफ्स इज रिलेटेड टू राइटिंग, राइट? नाउ द वे ही कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड, जो हमेशा दिमाग लगाया करता था, मेड सम पीपल लाफ, और कुछ लोगों को हंसाया भी करता था. थॉमस एल्वा एडिसन हैड इन्वेंशंस बाय द स्कोर. हैड इन्वेंशन बाय द स्कोर मींस एक के बाद इन्होंने इन्वेंशन किए हैं. और उनकी लेबोरेटरी में ही केप्ट इन्वेंटिंग मोर, और अपनी लेबोरेटरी में वो हर रोज कुछ ना कुछ इन्वेंट करते हैं. द फोनोग्राफ, द इलेक्ट्रिक लाइट, आई टोल्ड यू दिस थिंग, विद फ्यूज सॉकेट्स टू, जहाँ पे फ्यूज भी है, सॉकेट्स भी है, ये सब. अ सुपर स्टोरेज बैटरी भी. एंड मूवीज वर अ फ्यू, और कुछ फिल्में भी, राइट? And if not for Mr. Edison, how dull our lives would be. They are saying, the poet is saying कि अगर थॉमस एल्बर्ट एडिसन नहीं होते और वो बल्ब इन्वेंट नहीं करते तो हम लोग की लाइफ कितनी डल होती, मोनोटोनस होती, कि कुछ भी लाइट नहीं होती. एंड वी माइट नॉट हैव द रेडियो, हमारे पास रेडियो भी नहीं होता, द एक्सरे और दी टीवी, कुछ भी नहीं होता. एंड दिस फेमस पोएम हैज बीन रिटन बाय विवान गोल्ड, right? Moving on to the word basket, the first word is unusual. Unusual means special, which is not ordinary, right? जो ordinary नहीं है. Childish means बच्चों जैसा. Newsboy means a person, a boy who delivers newspaper, right? जो newspaper बेचते हो. And by the score means a lot of, बहुत सारा. And dull means which is not bright, which is very monotonous, right? Moving on to the exercise, first we'll be doing the oral exercises where we'll be learning how to pronounce each word correctly, right? The first word is unusual, next is bothered, then comes it's childish, then it's newsboy, then concentrated, then inventions, then laboratory, and the last one is sockets, right? Moving on to the correct answer, Thomas Albert Edison was the most unusual boy, right? Mother knew that Edison was not any fool. Thomas, they worked as a newsboy in a bus, right? And Edison invented electric bulb, photograph, both, right? Now moving on to the complete the lines of the poem, his dash learn, right? His teacher thought that he couldn't learn. Right? And send, उसको कहाँ भेज दिया था? And send him home from school. But dash for sure. But उसकी mom जानती थी he was not at all fool. But Tommy's knew for sure that he wasn't any fool, right? And he worked dash train. He worked as a newsboy on a train, right? He dash telegraph. He learned to telegraph. The way dash concentrated, the way he concentrated, made dash laugh, made some people laugh. Right? Moving on to the true and false. Thomas Alva Edison was a foolish boy. No. Right? Teacher sent Edison home from school. Again, it's true. Edison invented electricity. I think it's false. Power generation, it's true. Right? He became a newsboy on a train. Yes. And Edison became a scientist. It's again true. Moving on to the answer the following question. You all will be doing all these question answers in your notebook respectively by your own. So I hope you all understood about Thomas Alva Edison. One homework for you that you all will be searching on Wikipedia, or you can say on Google, about Thomas Alva Edison, and write down at least 10 to 15 lines on this, and make sure that you will read it. Because he was a very famous American inventor, and please go through this person, very important personality. You should all know about him, and please keep studying all the word meanings, and please keep revising and stay blessed. Thank you.